Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Stardew Valley cookbook. Today we're making rice pudding with cherry compote. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what to make next in the comments below, and check out my other channel. Even though I haven't uploaded something there in a while, I will at some point, I promise. You're going to start this recipe by combining 4 cups of whole milk and half a vanilla bean. You're going to cut the vanilla bean in half, scrape out the seeds, and then add the pod. And then you're going to set aside until you need it. Before you do this, you should also rinse your 2/3 a cup of long grain white rice. Now, to a medium saucepan, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and then to that, you're going to add your rice, and you're going to mix it constantly over medium heat until the rice gets opaque white and the butter is foamy. Once that happens, you're going to add in your milk, along with a cup of water, half a cup of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt, and you're going to bring it up to a simmer, which will take 20 to 25 minutes. You're then going to simmer it for 25 to 35 minutes until the rice is plump and the milk has shrunk and is sticking to the rice. Now, for the cherry compote, you're going to pit a pound of sweet cherries, then put them in a medium saucepan with a 1/4 cup fresh mandarin juice, 3 to 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt, and you're going to cook that until it simmers, and then you're going to scoop out you're going to cook it until it simmers and the cherries kind of break down a little bit. But still hold their shape, and then you're going to scoop out half the cherries, continue simmering until it becomes a glaze almost, and you're going to pour it over the cherries. Really, now I should have recorded the rice a little bit longer. That's my bad. But to assemble your rice pudding, you're just going to scoop your rice pudding into a bowl or ramekin or something, top with your cherry compote and toasted sliced almonds. So I have mixed feelings about this recipe. It tastes very good, but I do not like the texture. Like, all the flavors, I don't really care for the almonds, but that's fine. It was optional anyway. I just was for the whole experience. But in general, I don't really care for the just the texture. Everything, all the flavors work well. It's just the texture I don't like, and because of that, I think I'm gonna give it a 6.5 out of 10.